Dear viewers of Madani channel, Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, today we'd like to share with you a beautiful aspect from the blessed life of Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu. Shaykh al-Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhum Aliyah, writes in his booklet, Jinn Resembling Snake, published by Maktabatul Madinah, that Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiyallahu anhu once said, "At the beginning, I faced many hardships, and when those hardships reached their peak, I would lay on the ground and keep reciting verses 5 and 6 of Surah Alam Nashrah, which are as follows. فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Translation from Kanzul Iman. So without doubt, there is ease with hardship. Without doubt, there is ease with hardship. And by the blessings of these verses of the Holy Quran, all of those difficulties were removed. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।